weird though. That definitely looks good. Whoa.
Don't throw that. There's water there.
Alright, now on this jack, you're going to stay to the right.
Right?
Yep. Stay to the right and find dry. Nucci, step behind your brother. Stay all the way to the right. Slow down. You're in the woods.
Why don't we try to survive the Minecraft? Wow, though. Stay in the woods. So we're gonna stay now. And we're trying to survive zombies, I guess.
I'm gonna get killed, but why is the zombie right there?
I just got a walking stick. We're hiking stick.
So, remember what I said. You gotta have tiny sticks, and you have to have medium sticks. Alright? Then large sticks. Alright, so we put the tiny over here. Alright? Start grabbing some more sticks. Otherwise, this fire's not gonna go anywhere. No, break it up. Put it over here. Just watch and listen, okay?
Okay.
All right, see this?
Yeah.
All right. So what this is a soaked fire starter.
Okay.
So you break
Sounds
it.
better.
Yeah, break it apart and just do that.
This?
Yeah. Like you got to kind of rough it up a little bit. Okay. All right, now put it inside the fire pit. All right, take a knee. All right, so you're gonna take this. All right, where's the scraper? With the scraper? All right. Thinking you get comfortable, all right? You're just gonna do this. All right, so here, do it. All right, scrape it hard. Onto that. See that over there? So, you gotta press hard down, Jack.
I'm trying.
Watch. Ready? Stop. Stay here. Oh, almost. Go ahead. Do it. Hard. Oops.
I thought I heard that.
You almost did. Go ahead. Do it. You have to get super close, Jack. Press down.
Oh, no.
Little tiny twigs.
Whoa, it's spreading.
See, Dominic?
Yeah.
Little tiny twigs.
And be careful.
And then this will take the bugs away too, which is nice.
Yeah, I hear them flying away.
Because they don't like fire.
Why don't they like fire? Oh, because of the smoke.
They smoke. So you want to kind of build it like a teepee.
Teepee in social studies.
Keep going, Jeff.
Yeah.
Little twigs. Go ahead.
It's
Go ahead. Keep putting little twigs. Use the one that's already in there.
Whoa, that caught.
Fire needs fuel.
Me too.
You can put some bigger pieces in there too now.
Like this?
Yep. Yep, that's it. Just let it catch first.
Yeah, set the fire down. Stick the burn you. Oh, Dad, look at all the bugs over there. Look at them. What do you want me to do?
Here, give me the axe. Sit. So we need a couple pieces, right? So there's 3 of us.
Yeah, this thing is invaluable.
Bruh. Throw the trash.
So what we'll do is
Okay, good, Dom. Stop. Okay, Dom?
cut on this side, right? Oop, that's 2 pieces.
You broke it.
And then what I want you to do is, here, we'll do this, right? I'll just try to get this like this. Oop,
You broke it.
I broke it a little bit. So
What's this?
that's gonna be a spoon.
Now look at our spoon. Yeah. Now look at your juice packet.
What? Yeah.
Why do I have to get this spoon?
Huh?
Why do I have to get
No, I'm gonna give another one. But we just want to, when we want to do it, just clean it up a little bit.
Yeah, because I like that.
Yeah, we'll clean this up.
We're like the Native Americans in the 1960s. That's what guy.
Now, fine. Sicky.
No, Dom, that's good. Oh yeah, put that on.
Are we done yet?
I'm just taking all this stuff off. Let's see what I got sweet pork and rice.
Sounds good.
Whoa, look at that.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. Hey, Dad.
What'd you get? What is this one called? Chicken Alfredo pasta. What'd you get, Jack?
I got Still Lake lasagna.
Lasagna? Let me see. Open up the bag. Let's see what we got. How's it look? Looks pretty good. Mix it up a little bit. That's it.
Looks good.
Dad, it won't stay. Now it will.
Show me your spoons, guys. Your stick spoons? Alright, cool.
You have to put the feet up. Who wants to go first? Who wants to go first? Me? Do this thing.